Good morning, it's Daniel McDonald from Real Life Fishing. We are at beautiful Hastings. What a day we have today. It's probably blowing about 10 knots at the moment. Port Phillip Bay was garbage, so we've gone to Westernport. So yeah, we're just out here. We're going to target some squid first. We're going to go over to French Island, and I'm not sure where to go to after that, but stick with us. We've got a couple of young fellas with us. Yeah, stick with us and let's see where we end up. Roll the intro. We're just at the tip of Middle Spit. We're just going to have a few flicks for some squid here. We're in 4 meters of water, and I just want to introduce the man that needs no introduction, the man, the myth, the legend,
Zacko. G'day guys.
Yeah, and also we've got a special guest appearance. All right, we've got the one and only Lendog with his bag of tricks. Hey buddy, what do we got going on there? What are you going to go for? What's the squid
The pilchard
jig of choice? Pilchard. No, he's going the natural. He's going the natural. Okay, let's see how the natural go. I'm actually going to go. I'm sticking with me amber. Gangnam style. No, Gangcraft. I'm sticking with that. Might do a bit of a dance whilst I'm catching the squid. Hey, squid from Westernport. Whoop. Yeah, so yeah. Anyway, let's see. Let's have a few casts.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
All right, what do we got going on there, Zacko?
Daiwa armor joint 3.0. Not sure what this colour is, but
White, amber, black.
looks pretty good.
Dare say it's a glow-in-the-dark species.
Yeah, probably a bit of a Lumo.
There we go. Well, let's see if it comes up with the goods. Are you fishing?
Yeah.
Alright. How's the form on it?
I got one. Yeah.
Straight away, got one.
Hey.
On camera. Oh no, he's got the ground.
Oh,
No.
He's got the ground.
Snagglepuss, man.
He's got the snagglepuss.
Well, why is it going?
Lift it up. Lift your rod tip up. All right, Zacko, tell us a little bit about the combo. What have we got? What are we fishing with?
Shimano Revolution and 2,500 Stratic.
Nice.
So
Nice R-spec rod.
Yep.
Very nice. Beautiful. What braid you got going on there?
I think it's 10-pound J braid.
Awesome.
Miami blue.
What's feel good?
Yeah.
Super
Yeah.
light. Super light.
First light combo that I've had. So
Yeah, nice.
yeah.
What about you, Lendog? What are you fishing with?
Daiwa, rod and reel.
Yeah, nice. Dial rod.
Yep.
What's the name of it?
Hyper.
Upper. And then
Yeah. 2,000, 2,500.
yeah, 2,500.
Yeah, awesome. Excellent.
2,500.
What do we got there? Crossfire.
Crossfire.
That's the combos, and I'm just using a Daiwa Air Raid X, just with the, what have I got? A 3000. Yeah, nothing special, but you know, it's a what, $200 combo. Very you know, affordable for people that are, you know, intermediate fishers. It's got a good feel to it. Can you spend more? 100%. But yeah, it's all up to your budget and preference, and yeah, sky's the limit with rods and reels. You can spend, you know, spend money on a Kmart rod and you can still catch the same fish, have a lot of fun, or you can spend 500 bucks or more. But it's about getting out there. All right, we're on to our first one. Does someone want to cast in behind me? Yeah, just cast behind.
That net?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a bad one. It's medium to small, I would say. You lost your opportunity.
Why?
Cast over that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's, I'd say small. Not, oh, actually small to medium. Bait size. Perfect bait size. Perfect everything size, really. I'll pick it up and show you. So, hey, that's it. There we go. It's got slime all over me. Oh, look at that! Look at the snot! Oh, dang! He slimed me! Oh, tell me what's happening, Leno.
I got a squid on.
We got a squid.
Yep.
You got a squid on. Well, I'll give you the net there for you, because there's a one-man show over here. Cannot see squid yet, but oh, there he is. He's
Small.
he's extreme small, but it's still cool. Let's go and have a look. Let's see if we can get an underwater shot. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's see.
Let's bring him over. I'll go over to my right,
Yeah.
and I'll look at him, so cute. How you do the oh, he's not going anywhere. He's so caught. He's not going anywhere. Let's get him straight in the log.
Okay, buddy. Oh!
Awesome. Get back out there. Alright, we got the good bait today. 2 days ago we caught the blue throat wrasse and squid. So this one we've got just a single hook, bit of Lumo tube over it, and that goes to a 3-way swivel with a metre of leader. If you can see that, 3-way swivel. Then off the 3-way we've got a dropper with an 8-ounce sinker. Yeah, that's all we're doing on this one. Sometimes we run a set of snell, but we're not. We just got a chunk bait, one single 8-0. That's it. So we're going to do half squid head, squid gut, and yeah, squid tubes for the moment, because that's all we've got at the moment. We'll see if we can catch some slimy mackerel. What do you reckon about the bait?
I reckon it's a good selection.
Good selection. There we go. The man, the myth, the legend reckons good selection. Let's go. Alright, we're at the top of the tide right about now. So it should be turning very soon. Yeah, so we're just waiting for that tide to turn, the boat to face the other way. And we've got some really good baits. I've got one bait rod in, and we're going to put another bait rod down. We've got the burley pot down. Yeah, awesome baits. I've actually never fished this spot with blue throat wrasse before, so it'll be interesting to see if we can lure in a really nice slob of a gummy. Okay, I didn't know I had this sucker on. A little school shark on a full squid head. He had quite the appetite. There we go, little schoolie. See you later. Alright, so I was just doing a bait check and caught one through the eyeball into the mouth. There we go. Just checking baits to make sure I had bait, but picked up a little schoolie on the way. See you later, man, little man. Go back to school. Right, Zacco's caught the first fish of the new spot, the gummy spot. He's caught a flathead. See if we can, might get a bit of entertainment. He might spike his finger, hopefully, yeah.
Thanks, Dan.
Cut.
Come on, get off.
Use your fingers.
Stuff like that.
See ya, flathead. He's on again.
Love a little flathead.
Ah, no. Not a flathead. Got an inquiry over in this rod over here.
Heavier.
You got off. Very good, Sergio. Alright. The Zacchinator's on. Hopefully a bit of redemption from the last two flatties.
Hopefully it's a bigger one.
What do you reckon? I reckon it's schoolie.
Yeah?
Yeah, I reckon.
You're right.
Oh, it's a gummy!
Let's get an underwater shot.
How's that for a shot, people? Very nice. On. Definitely on. Alright. What do we got? First thing with weight all day. There we go. It's a big banshee. The old side hook banjo. Hey. There we go. Righto, we've got a couple of live baits that we got this morning. One tiny squid and one medium-sized squid. I've just put them onto a live bait rig, and we're just going to have a bit of a troll for a kingfish. Yeah, so let's see if that pans out. Again, we do not do that stupid noise on this YouTube channel.
What?
We do not do that noise. I won't even do it. Alright, so let's see if we can get a kingfish. This is real life fishing, so if we don't get a kingfish, we didn't get a kingfish. Alright. Alright, the lines are in. That's looking okay. See how we go. go. Two live baits. We only got two. Let's see how we go with them. I'm marking up a few more now. Let's see if they're kingfish. So I'm not sure if we're on a fish here. Alright, so that was a bit of a false alarm. We end up catching the anchor chain on the buoy. So we got it back. Squid dead, but we've got one squid left, and that's the medium sized one. We're still trolling around. We've been probably trolling for about 40 minutes, I would have thought. 3 different buoys. Just come across some stuff on the bottom now, some bait on the bottom. We get the odd mark here and there, but again, not sure what they are. They're sitting at about between 10 and 20 metres in the water column. We're fishing at 30 metres at the moment, but that's about all I can tell you guys. Had a hit, not sure if it's seaweed or not, but we'll see. Yeah, I reckon it's seaweed. I can see the seaweed from here. So something's had a crack at it. Anyway, he's still alive, so we'll get him back out there and we'll see. We are still waiting. Patience. There you go, it's patience. You need patience for the hunt. Alright everyone, we are going to end it there. It's been an absolute slog of a day. We've done 8 hours on the water. Yeah, what do you reckon? Like it's been a bit of a, it's been a hunt. We're in the grind, we're hunting, like, you know, this is what happens, you know, you go fishing, sometimes you don't always catch.
We caught a couple little flatties.
We caught a couple of flathead, we caught about 5 flathead all up, 2 keepers, 2 squid, about 4 school sharks, all undersized.
There's one of the flags.
So yeah, but this is real life fishing, and this is real life. So yeah,
sometimes you don't catch fish, sometimes you do.
There you go, sometimes you catch, sometimes you have them hard days. Look, the weather was pretty average, yeah, but I want to give a shout out to young Hazel Tromp. I know she is an avid watcher. So hey Hazel, how are ya? Anyway, do you want to do a shout out to anyone?
No shout outs, but like and subscribe and put down some comments of how you liked the video.
Excellent. What about you? Shout out to Big Dan for taking me on the boat all the time. There you go. Thank you very much. Alright, we'll see you on the next fishing adventure. See you later.